Have you ever struggled in the kitchen with slow prep, messy countertops, dull tools, or wasting valuable cooking time? The truth is, many everyday kitchen problems happen simply because we're missing the right tools. But what if a few smart gadgets could make cooking faster, easier, cleaner, and a lot more enjoyable? In today's video, we're counting down 10 amazing AliExpress kitchen gadgets every cook needs, from time-saving tools to clever problem solvers that can completely transform your kitchen experience. Stay with us until the end, because some of these gadgets might become your new favorite kitchen essentials. Product links in the description box. Number 10. Barbecue Non-Stick Grilling Basket Grill. A barbecue grilling basket is designed for people who love outdoor cooking but hate losing small food pieces through the grill. This non-stick grilling basket keeps vegetables, seafood, chicken cubes, and other delicate foods secure while cooking evenly from every side. The mesh-style design allows heat and smoke to circulate naturally, creating that authentic grilled flavor. Its locking mechanism helps keep food in place while flipping, making grilling easier and safer. Built with durable heat-resistant metal, it can handle high temperatures with confidence. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or a camping cookout, this basket adds convenience, flavor, and professional grilling performance to every meal. Number 9. Rotary Butter Spreader. The rotary butter spreader is a simple yet clever kitchen tool designed to make butter application cleaner and easier. Instead of using knives or spoons, this device allows you to spread butter smoothly with a rotating mechanism that gives better control. It works great on toast, bread, corn, pancakes, or even grilled foods. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, while the compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer. Made from food-safe materials, it keeps butter handling hygienic and mess-free. Perfect for breakfast lovers, this gadget adds convenience and precision to your daily kitchen routine. Number 8. Automatic Closing Trash Can. This automatic closing trash can brings modern convenience to your home or kitchen. Equipped with a smart lid mechanism, it opens easily and closes automatically after use, helping reduce odors and maintain hygiene. Its touchless design makes it perfect when your hands are busy or dirty during cooking. The compact yet spacious interior can handle daily waste without taking too much floor space. Built from durable materials, it blends functionality with modern style. Whether placed in the kitchen, bathroom, or office, this smart trash can help keep your environment cleaner, fresher, and more organized with minimal effort. Number 7. Corn on the Cob Remover. The corn remover is a practical kitchen gadget designed to separate corn kernels quickly and safely from the cob. Instead of struggling with a knife, this tool smoothly glides across the corn, removing kernels in seconds while reducing waste. It's perfect for salads, soups, stir-fries, and meal prep. The ergonomic grip provides comfort during use, while the compact design makes storage easy. Made with durable food-safe materials, it's easy to clean and built for regular kitchen use. Whether cooking for family or preparing ingredients professionally, this tool saves time and makes food preparation much easier. Number 6. Portable Camping Stove. This portable camping stove is built for outdoor cooking adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or traveling, this stove provides reliable heat wherever you go. Its compact foldable design makes carrying and storage simple, while the sturdy metal construction offers durability in outdoor conditions. The efficient burner delivers consistent flame control, allowing you to boil water, cook meals, or prepare coffee with ease. Compatible with standard fuel systems, setup is quick and beginner-friendly. Lightweight yet powerful, this stove becomes an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want dependable cooking performance away from home. Number 5. Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. A professional electric knife sharpener helps restore dull kitchen knives quickly and efficiently. With its powerful sharpening system, it can sharpen different blade types with consistent precision. Multiple sharpening stages help repair, sharpen, and polish blades for better cutting performance. The stable base ensures safe operation during use, while the compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen setup. Ideal for chefs, home cooks, and cooking enthusiasts, it extends the life of your knives while improving kitchen safety. Instead of replacing dull blades, this sharpener gives your knives professional-level sharpness in just minutes. Number 4. Fruit, Vegetable, and Rice Washing Basin. This multi-purpose washing basin is designed to simplify food preparation in the kitchen. Perfect for washing fruits, vegetables, rice, and grains, It combines practicality with convenience. The built-in drainage design allows excess water to flow out easily without losing ingredients. Its spacious bowl shape holds enough food for family-sized cooking, while the lightweight construction makes handling comfortable. Made from durable food-safe materials, it's suitable for daily use. Whether you're preparing fresh produce or cleaning rice before cooking, this basin saves time and reduces mess in your kitchen workflow. Number 3. Pet Food Measuring Spoon Scale. This digital measuring spoon scale helps pet owners serve accurate food portions every day. It combines a measuring spoon with a digital scale, making it easy to control your pet's diet and nutrition. Whether measuring dry food, supplements, treats, or powders, the display provides clear weight readings instantly. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to use, while the detachable spoon allows easy cleaning. Ideal for cats, dogs, and small pets, it helps prevent overfeeding and supports healthier feeding habits. A practical tool for responsible pet care and better portion management. Number 2. Productivity Timer Cube. The Productivity Timer Cube is designed to improve focus, time management, and daily productivity. With preset timing options, you can quickly start work sessions, study blocks, exercise routines, or break intervals with a simple flip. Its minimalist design makes it easy to use without complicated settings. Compact and portable, it fits perfectly on desks, workspaces, or study tables. The clear timer alerts help maintain discipline and concentration. Whether you're following productivity methods like Pomodoro or simply organizing your day better, this timer cube helps build stronger habits and improve efficiency. Number 1. Automatic Glass Cup Washer. The automatic glass cup washer makes cleaning cups, mugs, and glasses faster and easier. Designed for kitchen sinks, it uses strong water pressure to remove residue from hard-to-clean areas within seconds. Simply press the cup down, and powerful water jets clean the inside efficiently. It's perfect for coffee mugs, baby bottles, wine glasses, and reusable drinkware. Made from durable rust-resistant materials, it's built for long-term daily use. Installation is straightforward, making it a great upgrade for modern kitchens. This tool saves time, reduces manual scrubbing, and keeps your drinkware spotless. Thanks for watching 10 AliExpress kitchen gadgets every cook needs. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful and discovered something new for your kitchen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gadget reviews. And if you want to check today's product prices or learn more, the links are waiting for you in the description below. See you in the next video.